Hey guys, and welcome to this video. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to unblock someone on Facebook business page. Okay, so guys, before I post it, I'll appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment to the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations. Okay, so guys, let's proceed. So first and foremost, now you need to head over to your Facebook app. So head over to your Facebook app. So now you need to tap on this three-line icon on your page. That's your page page profile photo. So now you need to scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. So now you need to tap on settings. So now you need to tap on page settings below this page section. So now you need to tap on blocking below the privacy section. Tap on blocking. So now you will find people which you have blocked. Okay, so what you have to do now, you just need to tap on unblock. Okay, tap on unblock. Okay, so this profile will be successfully unblocked from your Facebook page. Okay, so guys, that's how you unblock someone from your Facebook business page or your Facebook page. Okay, so guys, before I conclude, once again, I appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaboration. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely day. Stay safe. Peace.